for so long.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl in Kim with another video on Faux Locs installation. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install your Faux Locs without using the cornrow method, no crochets and no crochet method here guys. So just relax and keep on watching. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to secure the tips of your Faux Locs after using the wrapping method, which I'm going to use in this video. For the Faux Locs I'm going to use, this is the product and it comes in color 1B/30. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to show you guys how I use it. The tip is color 30 while the top is color 1B. You guys can see what it looks like. To install this Faux Locs, I'm going to take a section of the logs and then weave it alongside our hair. Just braid our hair and the one part of the Faux Locs together with our hair, as you guys are seeing me doing here. And after braiding it, this is what it looks like. I'm going to open up this other part of the Faux Locs. This is what I'm going to use to wrap around her hair and the other Faux Locs. The other part of the Faux Locs I'm using to wrap is the short one. Now it depends on how long you want it to be. If you want the Faux Locs to be short, you can use the longer part to wrap and take the shorter part to be your the length of your Faux Locs.
Shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees. Where one need be. Turn on the love for myself.
So yeah guys, I'm going to take a measurement of the locks now with the one I've already done before. This is just to make sure that the lengths are equal, like one is no longer than the other. And after doing that, I'm going to section our hair into two and then place the locks at the middle. And after doing that, I'm going to weave our hair and the locks together. Now while I'm weaving the hair and the locks together, I'm making sure that it is not tight at all, because bear in mind that I'm still going to use the rest part of the locks to wrap around our hair and the locks. So this is what we have after weaving it. And the part that I did not the rest part of the locks is actually the shorter part, and that is what I'm going to use to wrap around our hair. So right now I'm just going to open up the locks like what you guys are seeing me doing now. And I don't know if you guys saw the color mix here, like there's a bit of color 30 if you open up the locks, and it really looks so unique and fine. And then I'm just going to start wrapping the locks around our hair. So this is just it guys. I'm going to let you guys watch the whole process and I'll be back. Now after wrapping the locks around our hair, to secure the ends of the locks, just to make sure it does not unravel, I'm going to use the ghost bond to put there and then roll it together. This will just secure it and everything will just stay intact, like it will not unravel guys. So I'm just going to continue the process and allow you guys to watch and enjoy this video. Please guys, give me a thumbs up, like this video, okay, and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. Also share this video with your friends.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, let go of all the doubt. I see me for me. Watch the sun For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind.
And here guys, this is the final look of this installation. This took like 3 to 4 hours to finish, and this is how gorgeous it came out. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video.